Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. In today's session, we'll see how to grant access to Copilot for Microsoft Azure. As you know that Copilot for Microsoft Azure is an artificial intelligence tool which leverages large language model. This tool can be used to optimize your resources within your subscription, troubleshoot, or even design solutions for you. Now, by default, Copilot for Microsoft Azure is enabled for everybody in the organization. But as a company policy, it may not be right. You want to give access to only specific people within your environment. That is what we're going to see in today's lab. So I'm logged in with a user who has complete access to the subscription and also got access to Copilot for Microsoft Azure. Now, if I can go and search for Copilot for Azure Administrator and under settings, go to access management, you can see I have deliberately switched off this button. Now, in your case, if you're going to open this and configure this for the first time, you will see that this button is on. It means it is available for all the users in your organization. But I've switched it off deliberately. But there is one specific user I want to give access, and that is test cop. So if I can show you quickly, this is the user I'm talking about. And right now, if I go and try to access this as test cop, he or she will not be able to access it because the access is not granted. We're going to change that, and for that I'm going to go to manage access, and under add, go to add role assignment, and the role that we are interested in is Copilot for Azure user. So let's go and highlight that and go to next. I'm going to select the member, which is test cop in this case, and let's go review and assign. The role was added successfully, and that is great. Now, Test Corp can go and interact with Copilot from Microsoft Azure. But the good thing is that whatever access Test Corp has at the subscription level is not going to go beyond that. So, what does that mean is, as Test Corp, I have only access to the reader. So, there's certain permission that you have as a reader, as you know that within the Azure subscription hierarchy and role-based access control, you have the contributor, you have the owner, you have the reader, and there are different kind of roles. Even though I have given access to Copilot from Microsoft Azure, it won't have any impact on the resources underneath because this person has only access as a reader. So it means that he or she can only view or see the resources within the Azure subscription. But this is how you're going to manage access to Copilot for Microsoft Azure. Hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.